What I'm going to show you to do today is how to assemble this shelf and then how to mount it to the wall. So the way I'm going to do it is using a pocket jig. And a pocket jig will put screws to hold these two boards together and you won't see them. So let's take a look at how to do this right here on the Everyday Man. Alright, so here's everything we're going to need. We have the jig itself, which I'll explain in detail. We've got a driver for the screws. These are special screws that fit a square head driver, and they're a specific length based on the thickness of the wood. A clamp, and then the drill that's going to drill the hole using the jig. And then of course we need a drill. Okay, so the way you do this is very simple. So the first thing you want to do is adjust the depth of the jig to the thickness of the material. Now you can see that is set at 3/4. To make the adjustment, you take the screw out and you simply move this up and down. You can see that this will go all the way up to 1.5 inch thick material and all the way down to 1/2 inch material right there. So for our case, we want 3/4, and you can't make a mistake because the holes are pre-drilled where the screw is going to go in. Okay, so put it on 3/4. All right, that's set for the thickness of the wood. The next step is to set the drill for 3 9/16 from this edge of the collar all the way to the bottom of the drill, not the lead-in part of the drill, the step part of the drill. So from there to the collar, 3 9/16. Let's look at this jig in a little more detail. So what we have here is a ledge on this jig, and that ledge fits tight against the wood. It's got 3 holes in it. You can pick whatever one you want. When I'm doing, I'm going to do holes like every 12 inches along this board. I just picked the middle hole. So the way it works is you drill the hole through here. The wood is sitting on here, and as the drill comes through, the collar stops it from going through the end of the wood. So that's good, right? And that step right here, that step is setting the bottom depth of where your screw is going to go. That's the basic design. Okay, let's get going and make some holes. You're going to pull it up against the wood. Give it a squeeze, and before you get it too tight, you're going to want to make sure that both sides of it are tight against the wood. Give it a little bit of a tight squeeze and drill it in until the collar touches the jig. And that's it. Take the clamp off. Take the jig off. Okay, so there's the hole. And now what's going to happen is that screw is going to fit perfectly in there through that little pilot end of the tip of the drill. And it'll sit just like that. And then when we put this up against the other wood, we can screw them together. So there we go. Okay, let's make one more. So here's the mark I made. I'm going to slide that up on it. All right, we're going to clamp it in place. Now we're tied up against it. Take your drill, drill it through. Perfect hole every time. It's exactly the right distance where you want it, and you just choose where you want it along the line of the wood. I've got a couple more to go. Let me get those done and we'll move on to the next step. So this is pretty flush right here. I can put my first screw in and you see how easy this is to move. So I'm going to get one more clamp it right there while I screw that in. That's pretty close, that's good. And now we're going to put the screw in there. That's it. It's in nice and tight. Take the clamp off. We can adjust as we go to get this board lined up with this, and as we move along, this board will definitely bend where we need it. So I'm going to loosen this. See how I just moved this over, and now that's just where we want it. So we're going to clamp this back in here. This time we'll be able to get two of them in. We got a nice flat surface. So that's the screw I use. It's 1 1/4 inch, and on the back of the pack it tells you what size to use based on what wood you have. So for a 3/4 inch thick wood joint, you want to use 1 1/4 inch, and fine thread is for hardwood, which this is a semi-hardwood, it's aspen, and coarse is for softwood like pine. That's nice, right? Look at that joint, it's nice and tight. This is really solid. I want to mount it on the wall so I can put all my stuff on top like that. So the next thing we need to do is draw a straight line across here at 22 inches. So let's get that marked right where I want it. And this is a laser, and it's going to shoot a perfectly level line on the wall. However, you can use any kind of a level and put it on the wall, and you can draw a level line straight across just as easy. You know what I like it for the most? If you're going to hang 4 or 5 pictures in a room, like in our living room, we have some on this wall and then some on the other wall. You can run that straight line all the way around the room and know that every single picture is level to the other picture. It's pretty neat. Okay, so now I turned the light off for the camera. You can easily see this line. This line is perfectly level. Now with the light on, it's very difficult for the camera to pick it up, but I can still see it. These are number 10s, 3-inch, and it's got a really nice head on it that's going to grab that wood and the wood won't pull through. These particular ones have a drill bit on the thread, so it's self-drilling. Yeah, and there it is, right? So it looks like right about there. And it's level, so I know I've got a pretty good shot at getting this where it needs to be. So we're going to just put it right down on there. And I want to make sure they're going in really straight. Okay, right about there. That looks pretty good. And you can see we're right on. Okay, well, I'll finish putting in the rest of the screws. It was really easy to assemble it using this pocket hole jig. The shelf is done, it's all installed, and I've got all my stuff up on the shelf. And you can see what I've done is put some magnetic holders down here to hold all the tools without having to put any nail holes or screw holes to hold everything up. It works perfectly. The shelf is the perfect height for me to grab things, and when I'm standing, I can see the top of the shelf. Perfect. All the screw holes are in. I went into every wall stud, and it's solid. Believe me, it's solid. Those pocket screws really did the trick to hold this shelf together with just that little bit of overlap, and I didn't even use any glue, and it's solid as a rock. I hope you liked this video. If you did, hit the like and subscribe button. I'd really appreciate it. And with that said, this is the Everyday Man saying thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you next time.